Welcome back to the 3D playbook. So in today's lecture we will model this rectangular duct in Autodesk Inventor 2027. So this is how it looks like. You can see it is hollow from the inside and there are two flanges on this edge and also this edge. You can see, so we also have a drawing sheet for this. This is the drawing sheet, the front view and the half section of this view, side view, you can also see that. So all dimensions are given: the height, the overall length, section, the radiuses, and dimension for the holes. So let's go make this. Control N for the new file, select standard Now start 2D sketch. I will choose the XY plane. Go back to the drawing sheet, 55 and 50 of scale. We will choose a rectangle. It's better to choose the center point rectangle here, like this. Dimension it 50 and this one is 55. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. Go back to the drawing sheet and 29 and 24 of another rectangle, and the thickness will go to 5 millimeter. So go back to the part, choose again the center point rectangle like this. Let me type 24 here. Go back to the drawing sheet, 29 and 24. Cancel. Let me select dimension again. This is 29 and this one is cancel. Control Z. Let me select again like this. Select dimension. This is 29 and this is 24. Okay. Go back to the sheet. The extrusion will go to 5 millimeter. These are center. Let me finish sketch. Let me go back to the sketch. This one. Let me give dimension 55 here and 50 here. Okay. Let me finish sketch. Go to the 3D model, select extrude. Let me select this face, choose this direction, and I will type 5 millimeter for the extrusion. Okay. Go back to the drawing sheet. Now from this face to this face, it is 70 millimeter, and we will create a plane at the bottom, 80 millimeter. So let me right click, go back to the sheet, and this is the arc, radius 45. So let me start 2D sketch, go to the origin and select the mid plane, this one, YZ plane. Let me slice graphics. Let me project cut edges. Select a line like this. Go back to the drawing sheet. What is the height? 80 is the height and 70 is the length for this line. Let me select dimension, select this line and type 80 here. Okay, and this was 70. Look, 70 millimeter. Go back to the part and select this, cancel dimension, this one. cancel. Let me select dimension. This line, it is 70. Okay, let me not project, but I want to create a plane here. Let me first choose fillet of 45. Look, it is 45, so I will choose 45 here. 45, this line with this. Let me finish sketch. Let me create a plane at this bottom. This again. Okay. Select this sketch, create sketch here. Now I will choose the project geometry for this point. Let me just show you in this point. Okay. Now we can easily stick our sketches here. And other flange here. Let me select dimension 55 here and 50 horizontally, vertically, sorry. Okay, another rectangle here, drawing from the center, 29 as given in the drawing and 24 here. Let me finish sketch. Now we will extrude in the upward direction. Let me just show you. Look, it will go up because we have traveled the overall height of 80. So select the sketch, type 5 here, and okay. Let me just rotate. Now we have to draw the outer sides of this duct. Let me go back to the drawing sheet, these one. How are we gonna do that? Look, if you see, radius 60 here and radius 55. So it will be 3 millimeter from this side. We have drawn the internal one. Look, the internal, and there is also an outer given here. Look, with the hidden lines. So radius 30 and 33 here means this is the shell thickness of 3 millimeter. So go back to the part. Let me create sketch here. Project cut edges, offset, an offset of 3 millimeter. It will be the outer surface for this pipe, the rectangular duct. So let me choose this one, escape. Let me just zoom in. Select this line, this also this one. Okay, finish sketch. Let me choose sweep here. This face and the curve, this is the curve. Okay, and we will choose join here. Okay, let me just rotate. Look, let me go back to the sketch, this one. Let me share sketch. Again I will choose sweep because we have first initially we have cut the flange, but it has covered the area again. So I will just select, let me go to the sweep and also share the sketch for the sweep. This one, because we want this curve, the inside curve. So let me just select sweep here, select this face, select curve, the inside, and use cut here. Okay, let me just hide this plane, right click and go from this. If you can't see it, turn the visibility off, and for the other sketches also, this one and also this one, turn the visibility off. Okay, Let me select all of this and give it some color. Let me choose CAD blue for this, and the inside, this one, properties, and as body we will choose, let me choose white. Let me see if white is here. Okay, white. It did not select it, so let me just select manually this one. Let me just rotate, right click, just keep selecting the inside surfaces like this. Okay, let me go to the color and select clear white. Let me choose clear white for this. Cool white. Okay, look, it looks good now. Now we have to draw the holes here. Create sketch here, project cut edges so we can stick our holes. Go back to the drawing sheet. There are 4 holes of diameter 5, not 4 but 8, 4 on this flange and 4 on the bottom one. So we have to draw the points here. Let me select the point like this. Go back to the drawing sheet and 6.5 vertically and 6.5 horizontally. Let me give dimension like this, 6.5, also from here, 6.5. Let me select constraint, this one too, this one. Now select dimension again and select this, and this one 6.5. It's better I will dimension the all individually. 6.5, and also from this. Let me finish sketch. Select the hole feature in modify tab. Let me select hole and select the diameter. Diameter is 5, and these are 2 holes. So let me select cut here. Okay, they are cutting the flange. Let me just show you. Look, and let me select OK for this. Now create sketch here. Create sketch. Let me project cut edges. Let me choose the point here and also here. Okay, let me select dimension, select this point. This is 6.5, 6.5, and also from this. Let me just delete it. We will do mirror for this. Let me select hole, select this 5 millimeter and through all, and let me select OK. Let me select mirror for this, select this hole, and I will choose the YZ plane. OK, now select mirror again, select these holes. Okay, we have to draw a line here, so I will just simply create sketch here like this. Let me project cut edges and draw a line. Not line, but let me Control Z finish sketch. Let me just select a plane, zoom in this face and this face. It will automatically create a plane at the center of both planes. So select mirror, scroll down, and the latest hole, and also this mirror. Let me select mirror plane, and this is the mirror plane. So let me select OK. So we have created this. Let me just turn the visibility off. So this was our today's part. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Just comment down your suggestions for what should I make in the next video. Like the videos, watch the videos till the end, and thanks for watching.